Another Ashawo house destroyed and burnt down in Ashanti region of Ghana. Yes, Pikin wey talk say im mama no go sleep. Him too will never sleep. I guess the Ghanaian youth you are underestimating are doing what you least expected, huh? Well, I'm happily saying this. Bro, sis, this is just the beginning. Abi una no dey hear word. Na so they go dey burn your property and sending you out of their town. Like woo ashawo awusha. That's what you sabi. That's just what you know how to do. Now so we go dey disgrace you, and as they come, we go dey bring the video here and showing to the whole world what you guys are capable of doing. Yes, this is just the tip of an iceberg. Guys, let's get right into the video and I will be right back.
Ghanaian youth to be a page out to Nigeria for Ashawo for Japan machine a jurabe. Omo ya so omo ya shawe for ya ko se ho nyina. Ma me fa nwum we ma omansa na omo Nigeria for no. Ajale koko oyiwa dede Ashawo awusha ken. Malope ya se mu ya babu mi o. Ken awusha ashawo awusha ashawo. Nigeria, why you guys like ashawo ajale koko oshiwa dede konko sele yon ko video ne mra sisi ya shaba sisi ya
I then chadom na sio beach abo amanfo nema be aye Nigeria for o man fa hwe ahani na amanfo ntai ahana na Nigeria for the derida ya so munyina nema o man ya hwe anko mukrom ya chi o munyina sa agu akra bi le dan podo ombie mpo mono ombie yembie kula ka wa bomo abusiafo aga Ghana for police fa be ka Nigeria for man fa hwe Nigeria for mo Ghana bo ahwe ni abe pamu mo man fa hwe anko omune manyina ya dwetu egu amanfa eja pade nya ma sese
abusia video no na ya kwakohwe aba denchira dominance ene yakohwe aba na kire se wo masese Nigeria for no properties ya se asawafo ana kire se one group wo ha awusha ashawo aja se we destroy them we what a good news. Nigeria, if Ghanaians they do this, make it no verse. So you forgot 1983. What did you do for Ghana? Where you name some bad, Ghana must go. We Ghanaians, if you come to this country and you behave good, you go stay here forever and ever. Even if you die, we go bury you here. But we don't like such attitude, such a character. Every part of Ghana, the people where they call them Ashawo. If you go, it be Nigerians where they do that work. They want to spoil our youth. And we don't want Nigerians to spoil our youth. Some of the drugs in Ghana, when you come here, they call some drug they say red. It be Nigerians people, it alleged that it be Nigerians people where they brought that thing in Ghana here. So danger dominance my yadie papa munyimutu kong.
Guys, I'm waiting for that very day when Nigerians that are back there in Nigeria that have never traveled. I'm waiting for when they will come out and not to blame Ghanaians or other African countries that are trying to protect their land and in which the Nigerians are brought. I don't know what they are thinking, as if they are not there seeing what their brothers and sisters are doing. They don't just want to come out and say the truth. They are still hiding under the umbrella of, okay, we're trying to protect our country. But that country that is, disgracing you guys anyhow, nothing is hidden again. Gone are days that people are backing up and, sitting on the sheets that Nigerians are plastering on the wall, but they still will carry tissue, clean all the shit, clean all the mess up and do as if nothing happened. See, gone are days. Now we have soldiers that cannot tolerate everything like these things happening. We can't be taking fault all the time, especially us that are in Ghana right now. We can't take the blames now. We can't. No, that's why we are standing on our ground right now, trying to put a stop to all of this. Yeah, not all of us are into this shit, but those people that are doing it, will bring them out. Guys, the next video we're about to check is of a girl. I don't know where this girl is coming from, but I think obviously she's a Nigerian, should be Igbo. She is saying Ghanaians are hating Nigerians, that we should be careful. That Ghanaians, yeah, she's telling you guys that you should be careful of generational curse. Even like say she did not know what, like the fight your forefathers fought for you guys to be in the position you guys are in right now. Guys, let's take a look at the video and I'll be right back.
What is this fight between Nigerians and Ghanaians? Sometimes I actually wonder why Ghanaians hate Nigerians so much. Honestly, we pray against generational curse, but you guys are still inheriting the curse. Even the youth that was born today don't even know what happened between Ghanaians and Nigerians. But you guys just put that hatred in them for them to just have it in them, and so they can hate every Nigerians. You know, I'm not saying all the Ghanaians, like most of them. Okay, there's a situation at hand which I quite understand. Trust me, and I know you guys should speak out. It's your land. Okay, but it's only one person who commits this. And you guys can address that person. If somebody come to your land and take what it's not rightful belong to them, then tell them to leave. Tell them to do whatever. You have the power to do whatsoever you want to do with these people. But it's not Nigeria's. So I saw a lady today actually come out, yeah, to just blast hatred on Nigerians. Hatred. Like she carried the curse along with her. She didn't even know. But this thing you're carrying, it's a curse. I love my fellow Ghanaians. I love Ghanaian food. I cannot, like as I'm talking to you right now, I have Cheeto in my fridge. I cook your food all the time. I have Ghanaian friends. I love you guys to bits. We are one Africa. We are one people. But if one person offend me, I won't extend it to the rest of them. Okay? So why this hatred? Why? Why can't we just come together? African unite. If one person offends you guys, don't extend it to the rest of them. And one of the reasons you guys don't like Nigerian though is they take opportunity of any, like they take advantage of any opportunity in front of them. And that is what you guys don't like. And we have to fight. Do you understand? It's because of our upbringing. And sometimes, we want to climb high. You guys don't see the things that happen in your country. I see some of them on social media. Some pastors, some certain things. It doesn't mean I'm gonna hate you. People are just different. 5 fingers are not equal. This lady, is just that TikTok don't allow things like this. I would have tagged her on this video and tell her to go and educate herself and read her history. And also carry a Bible and study. So she don't carry generation curse. To our children, extend it to our kids. This is really it. Talk to the person who offends you. Don't extend it to other people.
See, I will not blame those people coming online to say things about like they do not know. But I'm going to tell her to go back to our history. Yeah. Maybe, do we even have history? What history do we have in Nigeria? I think our history is being tempered with, because I know they believe waiting like our history anymore because of the kind of character we have. Even our leaders, our forefathers, I do not think they fought the right fight for us. They are the cause of everything happening in Nigeria right now. And you know what? Someone have to carry the cross, Someone have to carry the cross. Generational curse is already happening in Nigeria. So what are you talking about? Which generational curse are you warning Ghanaians for? Sister, there's nothing like generational curse in Ghana. That's the reason why they are fighting, to avoid generational curse. So what is it that you are saying that Nigerians are hating? Ghanaians, are hating Nigerians. Wait till when I get what they go hate. Is it the robbery? Is it the kidnapping? Is it the one chance? What are you? Are we like? I'm calling myself a Ghanaian right now because, yes, I'm proud. I'm proud. If I'm a Ghanaian today, I will beat my chest and say, hey, I'm a proud Ghanaian. Period. So tell me, baby girl, with your ring on your nose, tell me, what is it that Ghanaians are envious of in Nigerians? Tell me. I want to know. I beg Fioko. Guys, no be only me get something to tell this woman. There's this Ghanaian guy that responded. Yeah, he gave it to her according to how she wanted it. Guys, let's listen to what he have to say. Let's get right into it and I will be right back.
Madam, I know say you know here tree. So make I talk you your country language, that is Nigerian language. Abi, you were saying that why Ghanaians are so jealous about Nigerians? Because we say Nigerians, they should leave our country. You say why Ghanaians hate Nigerians? We hate Nigerians because of kidnapping. We hate Nigerians because of robbing. We hate Nigerians because of fraud. We hate Nigerians because of most of them, their bad attitude, their bad behavior in our country here. We Ghanaians, we are a country of peace. We don't like such a thing behavior. So if you are a stranger and you come to our country and you behave like this, we will hurt you. Secondly, we hate Nigerians because of your so-called that Igbo king, Mr. Chukwu the Jude, who claimed to be an king in Ghana. And listen very carefully. I am asking you that can a Ghanaian man live here and come to you Nigeria country and say he wanted to build his kingdom? It can never be possible, as you said. Apart from Mr. Chukwu the Jude, his behavior and attitude that we Ghanaian, we say we don't want it. The secondary matter is the behavior of Nigerians. Recently, a Nigerian guy go and rape 15-year girl. The behavior, the attitude, we don't like it. This is why we hate Nigerians. You are asking say Ghanaians, why do we hate Nigerians? Ask yourself, why do South Africans sack Nigerians? Even Americans sack Nigerians. Canada sack Nigerians. Many countries. You don't say countries. We say countries. You say countries. So make us say countries. So you know what I mean. Many countries suck Nigerians. Madam. So if you don't know, this is the reason why Ghanaians, we hate Nigerians. You understand? We are telling them to go. And another one, most of the Nigerians are using Ghanaian identity to identify themselves they are Nigerians. Many information be. Obi nefra meka jam say oko foreign countries be in South Africa, Canada, those kind of Nigeria ni ko be bank account a yembie mano. Aji Ghana ni. Nigeria ni ko be a yembie mano. Most of the Nigerians in some people's country, they use Ghanaian name to find a job. They use Ghanaian identity. Most of them. Why? Because every country knows Nigeria's behavior. There are some people that, I don't want to even go there. So, madam, if you don't know, if nobody has tell you the reason we hate Nigeria, this is the problem. So you better call your people and advise them. But your advice is too late. We are sucking them from this country because I don't think it was genuine. If they go and they want to come back, now we will take a good process. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I've also answered you.
Madam Nose Ring, I believe this guy, explain things to you, right? Yes. They don't want kidnappers. They don't want rapists. They don't want Yahoo. Yes, I'm not saying they don't have people who are doing all these things in Ghana, but they don't want to add to their own, okay? So you that are not from Ghana doing it comfortably in Ghana, pack your bag and go back to Nigeria. That's just what they are saying, okay? So I don't know why you are coming out to say Ghanaians hate Nigerians. That's why they are doing blah blah blah. Because anywhere Nigerians go, they try to be on top. Waiting that they do where they make them be on top. Your country people now, they can put their hands into doing all manners of things just to make it to the top. And competition is too much. The rate of competition in Nigeria is too high that is even making them to soak their hands into doing dirty things. People are aware of it already, and they're trying to avoid it in their country because they take everything slow here in Ghana. Like, they take time to do things because they want to do it right. And you are there talking about generational curse. Look at this girl. I better make you stay for one corner. I beg. I don't get time for these things where they talk about. Guys, this brings me to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.